Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add free media onto our Wix Harmony site from Wix's media library. Let's get started. First, click the add button on the top left. Here on the search bar, type in whatever image it is you want to add to your page, then hit enter and wait for it to finish loading the elements available. Since we are looking for photos, we're going to click on See All under the Photos category to see all the other suggestions we have for our main keyword. Once you like something, go ahead and click on it, and it'll automatically be added to your page. All there's left for you to do is just to basically arrange the elements properly. If you ever want to work on your image, you can then click on Edit Image on the action bar above. The Photo Studio will open in a new window, and from here you can edit your image however you want to using the tools you can find here on the left. Once you're done, don't forget to click on Save to save your changes, and that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.